Hey there, this is how to change the valve cover on an E90 BMW 335i. Each time there's a bolt or something that needs attention, I highlighted it with a circle so you know where to focus. If you're needing more detail on any of these, you can watch the really long 40-minute video that goes through all the mistakes made and lessons learned and explains each step of the way. But this is just more of a quick video so that you can see the whole process in a really quick snapshot. And absolutely remember to disconnect that battery before you pull out that red wire. You only need to remove this one harness right here, and don't mess with the other ones. Just clamp off this radiator hose here so you don't have to drain anything. Take your time and be careful with this one because it's old, brittle, and easy to break.
So this is what I was referring to.
Remove it.
Okay.
This smog hose right here is another easy to break one and will take a long time to replace if you break it.
Nope. That was the last part.
You don't want to get fuel blasting in your eyes, so that's what this rag is for, to protect you while you let some of the pressure out.
I try to keep them together. This is a little Valvetronic. Oh, there we go. Anyone knows what this is?
I couldn't get it out without making extra space by removing these extra plastic pieces. Other videos don't do it, but I just couldn't get it to work, so that's what I did.
So, see that?
I found I could give myself even more room by removing that nut and lifting the plastic a little higher. Now's a good time to move over any smog wires or screws or bolts or anything that's attached to the old one and put it on the new one. Gently start all screws by hand just to make sure that you don't cross-thread anything.
Weak plastic. Just when you're torquing in this engine, everything's plastic.
Everything else is just kind of the reverse of how we took it all out. But one of these solenoids I put in a little bit too loose, and in the long form video you can see I wasted a good hour or more trying to figure that out.
Go anyway. No torque spatch, just because I think everything else is in place. So not worrying about it right now. So, you know, if that's old, it'll never seal. Click that down. What that way is. This is going out. Yes!
There you have it. It's all done and it's been pretty good ever since. I don't think I've had any other leaks around the valve cover, so I'll call this done. Thanks for watching.